Here are 5 popular .38 Special Revolvers of 2023. 1. Colt Cobra .38 Special Plus P, a renowned double-action revolver known for its compact size and excellent craftsmanship. The Colt Cobra is an amazing shoot as well as a showpiece. 2. Smith & Wesson Model 10, a classic double-action revolver known for its durability. Smith & Wesson Model 10 has been in production since 1899. It is considered one of the most reliable revolvers on the market. 3. Smith & Wesson Model 642, a compact and lightweight revolver, often used for concealed carry. The Model 642 is in Smith & Wesson's J-frame series. It is constructed of lightweight alloy for easy carry. 4. Ruger LCR, another lightweight and compact revolver, featuring a polymer frame for reduced weight. The Ruger LCR holds 6 shots and comes standard with Hogue monogrip for comfort. 5. Taurus Model 85, a budget-friendly option that offers reliable performance in a compact package. The Taurus Model 85 is marketed for concealed carry and personal protection. Please note that firearm models and preferences can change over time, so it's always a good idea to consult updated resources and conduct thorough research before making any purchase decisions. Additionally, always prioritize safety and responsible firearm handling.